Hi everyone, today's video is going to be a Saint Laurent bag unboxing, and I am very excited for this unboxing because this is not your average typical luxury designer handbag. This one is just a little bit more special, a little bit more unique. And even though I love my classics, I also do love a statement piece. A great example of that is my Louis Vuitton coffee cup bag. It is not really about practicality and functionality. It is more about making a fashion statement. And this is exactly what this bag is doing. So let's start the unboxing. I have the box over here and it is absolutely huge. Even though the bag itself is quite small, it's all packaging. I do have a confession to make. This is not going to be a true unboxing. I really wanted this to be a true unboxing and to catch my first impressions on the video, but I wanted to cut the tape so that it's easier for me to do the unboxing for you guys. And then as soon as I cut the tape, I just completely lost control of myself and I kind of took a really nice sneak peek. So apologies for that. So if you see that it's not absolutely perfectly packaged, it's because of me, because Saint Laurent had packaged it beautifully. Let's start. And when I opened the box, the first thing I saw was this beautiful gold shopping bag. I had never bought anything from Saint Laurent during the holiday festive period, so I had no clue if they have any Christmas packaging or not. I don't know if it's the first year that they're doing this, but wow, this is just beautiful. I feel like they win Christmas packaging this year. I wasn't really that impressed with the other brands, and this is just absolutely beautiful. I mean, imagine this under the Christmas tree. How stunning. And if that wasn't enough, inside, when you remove this, the paperwork is falling out, but look at the box. It is also from gold. Well, okay, not gold, but you know what I mean. It is gold toned and it's so shiny and so beautiful. I'm telling you, the gold and black, it's so timeless, so classic, and absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I'm giving the Christmas packaging of 2022 award to Saint Laurent. And now finally, let me take this box outside of this big box so that we can do a proper unboxing. Okay, so here is the beautiful shiny gold box, and let's proceed with the unboxing. We have black wrapping paper. And here, carefully packed, is the teeny tiny little bag. Okay, so here is the bag. This has officially been the longest unboxing ever, but let's keep going. So the bag that I got is this Saint Laurent Take-Away box bag. I mean, it is so weird and unusual, but it also looks so cool. Like, are you seeing this? There's just something so special about it. I love it. I got it in this beautiful beige shade. Online, it's called Dusty Vintage Brown, something like that. I'll put the name on the screen. And it is also currently available in black with silver hardware. It is made of calf skin and it has the Saint Laurent YSL monogram embossed all over it. I mean, just look at it. Wow, this is so cool. And then of course we have the gold hardware. Online it was labeled as light bronze, and I wouldn't really call this light bronze, but I wouldn't really call it gold either because it's not that yellow. It's more like antique gold without the dustiness of antique gold. But overall, it's beautiful. Okay, and now I really want to open it. So we have these like holes through which the leather goes through just like this, and it opens quite easily. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. I think that closing it is a little bit more tricky than opening it. And on the inside we have suede lining. Here is an authenticity card, and there's even a pocket. I don't know what you can put in it, but it is a functional small pocket. Other than that, there is nothing inside, just one big or small compartment. And now I'm curious about how we can close it. Let's see how easy it is. It is not as hard as I thought it would be. Look, we're done. You know, I am very impressed with the leather. I have never felt anything like this. The only other bag that has leather that I have that has a similar leather effect is my Fendi baguette, but it's made of lambskin, so it's much softer, and also the monogram is significantly bigger. This monogram is much smaller and finer, and therefore also much more detailed, and it looks really cool. The leather feels nice and luxurious and soft, but it's also very structured. I don't understand. How can it be so nice and soft, but at the same time, it's so structured and like rigid? It's like some sort of magic. I have to say that quality-wise, I am so impressed. I expected for the leather to be much more like coated and harsh, but instead it's so buttery and nice. I don't know. I'm really so impressed with the quality. Just wow. I do have a few concerns though, and one of them is corner wear, because very structured bags, very boxy bags like this, the corners tend to wear quickly. But you know, this is not going to be my errand bag. I am not going to be using this every single day, every other day, maybe not even once a week. You know, this is going to be the type of bag that I show off maybe once a month, once in 3 months or something like that, you know. So it's kind of a concern, but at the same time, maybe if I'm not wearing it as often as like a regular errand bag, then maybe there wouldn't be such significant corner wear. I don't know. Share your experiences in the comment section below. And the other concern that I have is with the handles. How would this wear over time? I have no idea. Is this hole going to get bigger? Would it not get bigger? Would it wear out? Would this part over here get worn out? I don't know. Right now, it's very nice. Like, it's really holding its structure, but there's that little like cut over here, which basically allows for the bag to be closed. And would it get bigger? Would it get smaller? Right now, it's absolutely perfect. But with time, how would the handles wear? No idea. So if you've had some similar experiences with similar bags or similar, I don't know, closure systems, let me know your experiences in the comment section below, because this is definitely new territory for me. But other than that, I think that it's so cool. Not like I already didn't say it throughout this video like 20 times, but I'll say it again and again because I think that it looks so cool and so special. Yes, it's giving a little bit of novelty vibes, but it's actually quite functional. You can, of course, only carry it as a top handle bag, which is why I wouldn't pick this as like an errand bag. And of course, because the accessibility is not as easy as I would want for my errand bags, you know, but it is a very well-made bag, and the attention to detail is incredible. I think that the best way to describe it is as a collector's piece that is also functional. I'll have to do a separate video on what fits inside of it, but the only thing that I checked, because of course I had to check it, was if it fits the iPhone Pro Max sizes. and it does. And I'm sure that it's going to fit all of my essentials because it's quite spacious. Okay guys, so I think that's more or less it on this beautiful work of art. And yes, I do consider this a work of art. And I actually also do believe that this is worth the money. I don't think that we discussed the price point of it, but I paid 1,450 euros for this, which, considering today's luxury designer bag prices, is not even that crazy. Of course, I am not recommending this as your very first luxury designer handbag just because it's not really that practical to use. But if you are already settled with your functional, practical, timeless, classic luxury designer handbags, I think that this would make a lovely addition to your handbag collection. So that's it from me, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do love talking about fashion. So let's stay in touch and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, stay safe.